Marilynn Grossball, and I live in Santa Barbara, California. And I heard about Issels Medical Clinic after I had received my diagnosis of invasive breast cancer. I did some research. I wanted to do some natural things to help myself, and Dr. Issels was really high on the list of good possibilities. I had had the mammogram and the ultrasound and the core biopsy, and that had returned with a diagnosis of invasive ductal carcinoma. And so I came to Dr. Issels before I did anything. I came here to ask what his thoughts were about the best shot for me. And he recommended that because the core biopsy had been done, that I get the lump taken out as a first step, and then connect back up with him when I was ready to after that. So that's what I did. I went and I had to interview 3 surgeons to find somebody who would do what I wanted done, which was the lumpectomy and the sentinel node dissection. And so I went ahead with that procedure, and as soon as I had that done, I brought the results to Dr. Issels, and I had seen by that time an oncologist who was strongly recommending big doses of chemotherapy and also some Tamoxifen because I had a sensitive, estrogen-sensitive cancer. And I chose not to go that route. My cancer had spread to both sentinel nodes. When I got the biopsy results back, both nodes had cancer in them. And so the oncologist was really strong and clear that with all of her statistics and all of her information, that my very best shot was to do big doses of chemo and Tamoxifen. I also went to see a radiologist because a surgeon wanted me to do that. She wanted to do all the lymphs taken out, but she wanted me to talk to the radiologist, so I did. I went there, and he gave me a bunch of statistics about 40% greater chance of living in 5 years if I would do these massive doses of radiation. And I had a type 3 cancer, and it was the fastest spreading kind that there was. So cancer marker had doubled from the time of my lumpectomy. So there was reason to believe there was cancer in other places in my body. So when I first came to Dr. Issels, the cancer marker had doubled, and I finished his 15 days of treatment, doing all the 22 modules and things he has, from homeopathy to herbs to acupuncture, all the many things he does, which first of all does no harm to my body. And when I finished the 15 days of treatment, all my cancer markers were normal. There was no cancer sign anywhere in my body of any kind of a problem. So I'm really excited about that. I had it redone again, the tests redone. It's been 8 weeks since I left this clinic, and my tests are all well within normal limits. So I'm staying on the program. I'm eating the way he taught me to eat. I'm taking the supplements that he provides. I'm doing the program consistently with his supervision, and I'm excited about where I'm going health-wise.